I'm going to unpackage my winch cover. My wife bought it for me as a surprise. I don't even know who it's from, but it looks intact. So let's go ahead and open this thing. It would appear to be a winch cover. It's the Eco Leather winch cover, and it's the Jefe. Let's take a look at it. It comes in a little reclosable container. Nice. Got elastic covers so it'll hold tightly around the winch. I'll go put it on and we'll see what it looks like in action. I guess the first thing to do would be to get the old one off. I haven't had it off in a while. Have to work on that later. Let's go ahead and put on the new cover. That's perfect. That fits better than the original. And there you have it, the Jefe.